Hello traders, you can follow me at Gumby9662C. These are not trade recommendations or anything, just some things I'm seeing. I'm going to bring it to your attention. Like the video if you like it, and I appreciate any and all comments you can leave below the video on YouTube. Okay, with that said, give me a second here, let me get switched over. There it is. Okay, you see that it has just had a parabolic move today, and I kind of look at it as if the VIX has got a bid today, and this parabolic move, a lot of the bullish actions already priced in for this breakout, and it's awfully hard to break out of a weekly resistance all on the same day. So I am seeing BABA coming back in today, but it could just very well base out here. But it's a low risk, high rewards trade if you get some puts at these levels, in my opinion. And then you know you're defined out whenever it breaks to new highs. But as you can see here, the BABA calls, 104 calls, are just smoking today. They're up 419%. So you could quite easily make a 100% gain on these 104 puts, in my opinion. Or you know, you can make some pretty good returns on the 104 puts. Okay, and then also the AET is very active today. Okay, AET, it's coming right up to last week highs. So that is what you would consider to be some resistance levels at these highs. It looks like it's getting a pipe top right here. But it does have a little bit more to fill this gap. Okay. So this one here is not quite as telling as the BABA trade, in my opinion. But still, you know, quite easily with the VIX catching a bid today, this could start rolling back over. And you can make fairly easily make a 30-40% return on just a simple retrace back into the opening range potential. Okay, on the bullish side, Facebook is also breaking out of the weekly highs here. So, but this is a news-driven event, so this is a different situation in my opinion. So we're getting a breakout here, and this is one you probably don't want to fade. Yeah, this is an extremely bullish pattern, and personally, I wouldn't want to chase this for calls. But then again, you do have a defined, you know, if you would want to try it. But personally, I just don't think Facebook at this point, it's very safe to take puts or calls. So, and the markets do seem to have a bid under them, so Facebook could run the rest of the day. And that's what I'm thinking is going to happen. We're probably going to get up to 140 before any chance of a pullback on Facebook. Another one catching interest today, that's a COG, ConAgri. It's an oil and gas company. And we're breaking away from the weekly 50 SMA officially today. So this one here is more bearish, and I think we're having earnings this week. I don't think they've reported yet, so just keep this one on your radar. I wouldn't trade it into earnings, maybe on the results earnings. Another puts idea I want to point out on the daily here is Costco. It ran up based on Home Depot and Lowe's, or Home Depot and Walmart earnings yesterday, and it looks awfully extended to me, and it needs to take a break. It can always go sideways, of course, but it looks like it's wanting to potentially roll back over here. And what I'm seeing here on the 1 hour, we're coming right down to the 50-day moving average on the 1 hour chart. We're still in a very bullish pattern. So all this may be is just a simple correction. So just keep this on watch here. I'm kind of thinking it's the indicators need to reset on this. So yesterday would have been the ideal day to short this, but those are just some of the ideas I've got. I'm going to keep it short here. And Bristol Myers had some really good news out yesterday. and I do have Bristol Myers calls. I'm thinking it's going to run to 60 here real soon. So just keep that in mind. Bristol Myers, I think, is a very strong stock that's going to be popping up, taking off here. That's all I got to say. Thanks a lot.